Making words, lesson 2. You will need a whiteboard, a marker, a wipe, your paper, and your pencil. Remember, you can pause or rewind the video at any time. Please do not skip ahead. It's very important that you do all parts of the video. Welcome students to lesson 2. Today we're going to begin by writing our letters on the whiteboard. The vowels that we'll be using are A and E. The consonants will be B, N, S, and T. Alright, let's review the vowel sounds. A like apple, E like egg. Let's get started. Remember that any work that I do on my board, I want you to do on your whiteboard as well. Alright, the first word that we are going to spell is the word at. Get ready to segment. At, at, A-T, at. For word number 2, we're going to add one letter, one of our consonants, the word bat. Get ready to segment. B-at, bat. The letter you add is the letter B. Get ready to segment. B-at, bat. Get ready to spell it. B-A-T. The next word that we're going to spell rhymes with bat. The word is sat. Get ready to segment. S-at, sat. Alright, I'm going to change it. I know I need to put the letter S. Get ready to segment. S-at, sat. Spell it S-A-T. Excellent job. The next word that we're going to spell, we're going to change the vowel sound to go from the word sat to the word set. S-et has the eh like egg sound, so I'm going to go ahead and change that on my board. Segment S-et, set. Spell it S-E-T, set. Excellent job. The next word that we're going to spell is the word net. Get ready to segment. N-et, net. Go ahead and change that on the board before I do. Think about your options. Okay, adding the word or the letter N to make the word net. Get ready. N-et, net. Spell it N-E-T. Excellent job so far. The next word that we're going to spell uses the same 3 letters as the word net. The word that we're going to spell is the word 10. Get ready, segment. T-e-n. T-e-n. Spell it T-E-N. Excellent job. Now we're going to change the word. The word is tan. T-e-n. Think about what letter needs to change. We're going to go from eh like egg to a like apple. Go ahead and make that change right now to make the word tan. Get ready. T-a-n, tan. Now you can spell it as you tap each letter. T-A-N. The next word that we're going to spell rhymes with tan. The word is ban. Get ready. B-a-n. Go ahead and erase the T. Replace it with the letter that you think is correct. Now Miss Heller is going to do that. B-a-n, ban. B-A-N. The next word we're going to spell is actually a name. And we're changing the vowel sound to go from ban to the name Ben. Get ready to segment. B-a-n. Excellent job. Now we're going to change the vowel from a like apple to e like egg. And because it's a name, I'm going to make the name capitalized. Let's segment. B-e-n. Ben. B-E-N. Excellent job. The next word that we're going to spell is the word bent. Let's segment that. B-e-n-t. Bent. We just have to add one letter to the end. Add that letter. Now I will. The letter we're adding is a T, and because this is no longer a proper noun, I'm going to make the B lowercase. Go ahead and do that now. B-E-N-T. B-E-N-T. Excellent job. For the next word, we are going to change just one letter. We're going to take the word bent and we're going to turn it into the word best by changing one letter. Let's segment best. Get ready. B-E-S-T. Best. Go ahead and make that change, taking out the letter N and replacing it with the letter S to make the word best. Get ready. B-E-S-T. Best. Spell it. B-E-S-T. You're doing a great job so far. The next word that we'll spell rhymes with best. We're only going to change one letter. It's going to be the beginning sound to make the word nest. Get ready to segment that with me. N-E-S-T. Nest. Go ahead and make that change on your whiteboard as I change the B to an N. Get ready. N-E-S-T. Nest. Go ahead and spell it as you tap each letter. N-E-S-T. Excellent job. The next word we're going to spell uses the same 4 letters as in the word nest, so we will not change anything out. The word that we're going to spell is the word scent. Get ready to segment. S-E-N-T. Scent. We're going to rearrange those. I'm going to erase these letters, and I'm going to segment scent as I spell it. S-E-N-T. Scent. Now we've arrived at the part of the lesson where we can guess the secret word. And I'm going to give you a hint. The second syllable in that word is the word scent. I've already used the letters S, the letters E, the letter N, and the letter T, so I know the only 2 letters I have left to use or to fit into my secret word are A and B. A-B. Oh, that just helped me think of the secret word. You can pause right now if you need to, if you want some extra time to think about the secret word on your own. The secret word, absent, as in I was absent last week from school. I hear the syllable break right there, absent. Alright, Kipsters, now that you're working in your booklet, I want to make sure that you go ahead and write today's lesson number at the top if you haven't already done so. And the vowels today, we are using our A and E. And the consonants in alphabetical order are B, N, S, and T. Go ahead and write those at the top if you have not already done so. You already know the secret word from lesson 2. You can go ahead and write that word in. Okay, number 1, we had the word at. Then we added the letter B to make the word bat. B-at, bat. Then we changed the first consonant to make the word sat. S-at, sat. Then we changed the vowel sound to make the word set. S-et, set. Then we changed the first consonant sound to make the word net. N-et, net. After net, we rearranged those 3 letters to make the word 10. Get ready. T-e-n, 10. Then we changed the vowel again to make the word tan. T-e-n, tan. And we made a word that rhymes with tan, the word ban. B-e-n, ban. Then we made the name Ben by changing the vowel sound. Make sure that word is capitalized on your paper because it is a proper noun. B-e-n, Ben. Then we added a letter to the name Ben to make the word bent. Get ready? bent. We made the word best, best, best. Then we made a word that rhymed with best. The word was nest. Get ready? N-S. Then we took the same 4 letters in the word nest and we made the word scent. Get ready? S-E-N-T. Scent. And then finally we had our secret word, which was absent. A-B-S-E-N-T. You can go ahead and write that secret word up there. Now, as you scroll down the page, you'll see there is a table with columns. There are 6 columns in this table. You will not use all of them for every lesson, but I wanted to have them there so that if you did need that many, they were available. Now, it says at this point to pause the video. However, for this first time, I'm going to go through this part with you. In the future, you will pause it and sort it just like we do today. All right, the directions say to sort the words according to their rhyming patterns. Rhyming means the words sound the same at the end of the word. Example, the word at and bat have the same ending sound, so they rhyme, and I would put them in the same column. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put the first word at above the line, and I'm going to put the next word that rhymes with it, bat, below the line. Notice that they have the same ending sound and the same spelling. I'm going to be constantly looking at my words up above to help me sort into rhyming patterns. And one strategy that might help you, as you use the words, you might want to go ahead and check them off up here so that you don't put them in the chart more than once. Now, as I'm looking here, I see the word sat also rhymes with the words at and bat, so I'm going to add sat to this column. Okay? Other patterns that you will see today, there will be a word that rhymes with net. There will be a word that rhymes with ben. There will be a word that rhymes with nest. There's a word that rhymes with tan. And finally, there are 2 words that rhyme with the word scent. Now, I've underlined the part of the word that will be the same in the rhyming word. It will sound the same and it will have the same spelling. At this point, you can pause the video and fill in the rest of the words from your list above that rhyme with these words. Okay, at this point, you should have completed the sort, and your table should look just like mine. We have at, bat, sat, net, set, ben, ten, nest, best, tan, ban, scent, bent, absent. In this lesson, there were no words that didn't have another rhyming word, so nothing should be in this box. In other lessons, there might be words that do not have a rhyming buddy, and you would put those words down here in this box. All right, now we are at part 3, the spelling test. Listen to the video and spell the words using the rhyming patterns in the words above to help you. All the words in the spelling test will have a rhyming pattern that's the same as one of the words in the chart above. So keep that in mind. You can use that spelling pattern to help you. Number 1, spent. I spent a lot of money at the store. Spent. Number 2, vest. She wore a vest when the weather got cold. Vest. Number 3, plan. What is your plan for winter break? And number 4, scat. They told the children to scat. They told the children to scat. Again, number 1 was spent. Number 2, vest. Number 3, plan. And number 4, scat.